Hello, in this video I'll show you how to submit a still frame render job from the VRED sequencer to a cube farm. Here I have the sequencer listings, and for each sequence I have a create snapshot step action, and each one of these is set to render out to the VRED render directory, which I've set an environment variable, and it's to a shared network location. That's pretty much the only requirement, is that your create snapshot is rendering out to a shared location. I'll close that, and then I'll submit with the cube, submit sequencer stills. Here I should make note that ensure that your VRED version is matching what's on your farm, and your farm machines are this OS is for your farm machines. On a render farm, you usually would have the VRED cluster product installed, so I'm going to use that. But for the render, for the sequence frame render, I'm going to say use the VRED server node executable. I see the path updates. Now I have multiple sequences in my sequencer. If I don't pick any of them, it will render all of them. And if I pick one or more, it'll render just the ones I've picked. I'm just going to explicitly pick these for demonstration purposes. And now I can see they both wind up there. And then I can just hit submit. And if you don't already have the Cube Artist View running, you can launch it from the menu in VRED right here, Launch Cube Artist View. Here's my job running. I don't have any of my frames running yet because VRED takes about anywhere between 30 and 60 seconds to start up before it can begin to run one of the sequence frame renders. I can look at my logs. It should be pretty much there. Now I see that my first sequence in the sequencer has started running, and this will take probably about 90 seconds, I'm guessing. I can see here that my first frame has completed, and because I know at least one frame has been done, I can make a guess at when the next frame is, well, the next still frame is going to be rendered. And it said the first one took about 1 minute and 32, so it thinks it's going to be about 1.5 minutes, another 1:28 before it's complete. Now they've both completed, and so my job shows complete now. And that's it. Here are my two frames.